Hi girls and guys, Boris Gelfand. Guys, today I would like to talk about new project, which is I found it and it's really great and a good idea to think about and to purchase. So it is a brand new building. It's North Miami Beach area, which is allowed you to make short-term rentals, and you can use for Airbnb, other website, guys. And again, important in this thing, you can rent weekly, daily, monthly. You can stay for a year. It's not Condo Hotel. Condo Hotel doesn't allow you to stay more than 6 months. And again, it's EB5 project approved. So guys who thinking about to get green card in US, it could be great place to invest your money. And now you need to invest $80,000 to developer, to regional center, plus $70,000 is regional center fee, and plus attorney fee, which is good between $50,000 to $25,000. Depends from how greedy is the attorney. And again, guys, it's your choice. I can advise you somebody, but it's attorney always is your personal responsibility to find. So why I paid attention about this project? Number one, is brand new. It's going to be delivered in 2025. So basically you need to put today on reservation 10%, another 10% when you're gonna send contract, another 20% in next year, another 10% in 2 years. So 2023 another 20, and another 24 you're gonna put another 20%. So builder is gonna collect altogether $50,000. So basically why this project could be interesting, because number one, it comes fully furnished. You don't need to think about furniture, about flooring, about anything. Everything comes furnished, and most of builders prefer right now to make it because you're gonna buy all exterior stuff, which is going to cost you like between $30,000 to $50,000, $60,000, but you're gonna get it within a unit. So price range, which is for sure it's important thing. So price range, guys, studios start from $499, which is cheapest one. And again, already 30% sold, guys. I know it's the market is hot. So the cheapest studio on this market now it's $499. It's cheapest 1 bedroom, guys, plus then with the 2 full bathrooms, $637. You're gonna make your math, and size $679. Guys, if you need floor plans, price list, that send me text by WhatsApp, Telegram, Viber, or just call me. I will be glad to share with you all information, and I hope I'm gonna help you with all your purchase process and to choose the best possible units. Again, guys, I understand everyone too smart and know how to negotiate and to get the best possible price from the builder, but here is my role to get the best unit with my opinion and to get your best terms, which is I'm sure as professional I can get you better. And I'm not trying to save you money because price list is really not negotiable, but in this project I think you can get professional advice which unit to buy and how to handle all this stuff. And like I said before, it is Airbnb friendly building. You need to know how to handle it, and EB5 approved project. EB5, I mean, it's not so much building which exists right now, and it's going to be exchanged. It's not going to be two separate contracts like it was previously in other projects. So you're going to purchase the unit, you're going to put money in regional center, and builder within, let's say, 3 years already finish the building. They gonna give you right to use the unit, but still deed you're gonna get by end of your period when you can get out from the EB5 and to get green card. You have temporary green card, and after you get permanent green card. So temporary green card will take you at least to get, let's say, 2 years. Don't dream of 1 year. 1 year for saying it's dream. So with the 2 years you're gonna get your temporary green card, which is going to be converted to the permanent. But what important thing, guys, with the 3 months, if you're gonna apply for change of status, you can get option to work permit and re-entry certificate. So basically you can get in and out without any headaches and update the visa. But again, like I said before, guys, you have to speak to attorney. Attorney will give you advices. I'm not advisor for the legal stuff for the immigration. I know the material, but again, who gonna give you exactly terms and everything? It's need to be your attorney. And I said attorney costs between 15 to 25, $30,000, depends from experience and depends from the knowledge. Again, it's your goal. Again, for B5 only approved 2 and 3 bedrooms, not 1 bedroom. HUA for this price is going to be 80 cents per square feet, which is really a reasonable number. It's going to be paid friendly and 1 assigned parking, guys. Regarding 2-3 bedroom, maybe it's going to be 1 more or it's going to be free valet, but they still considering different options, so I cannot tell you exactly what is going to be. For now, it's 1 assigned parking per each unit, and the building gonna have business center. So I mean, it's a coffee shop, it's not a restaurant, but you have tons of restaurants around, so area really growing, and I think it's best option on the market in North Miami Beach. Again, guys, all other buildings a little bit more expensive, but this is going to be Airbnb friendly building because it belongs to North Miami Beach. And North Miami Beach allowed short-term rental. Guys, I love your comments, and I would love to share with you all my information. You can text me, WhatsApp me, Viber, whatever it could be. And if you're looking for something immediately, guys, we have options to find you right way and the best possible property for the reasonable amount. Guys, it's market is hot, and we're trying to to negotiate and make deal fair, not just to the seller, deal fair to a buyer. So basically, who looking to buy something right now, guys, feel free. We're gonna help you with all process, and we have knowledge how to handle it, and I'm 100% sure you're gonna like our service. Guys, Boris, Gelfand, South Florida, North Miami Beach. See you.